Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. Today in this video, I will be showing you how Service Activator component is implemented using post mapping in a Spring integration application. A bonus tip: are you in hurry to learn Spring integration? Well, I have a good news for you all who want to understand the fundamentals of Spring integration. Check out the Udemy course link in description. And you can access all the Spring integration training videos in just one click. But before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. So let's get started. Open Spring integration project in Eclipse IDE. Step 1. Let's write the gateway code. In Employee Gateway interface, add a method hireEmployee with return type message of employee. And pass employee object to it. Add @gateway annotation on top of it to indicate that interface method is capable of mapping its parameters to a message or message payload. Pass a request channel to this annotation as request hire EMP channel. Fix the imports. Let's add some comments. Step 2. Let's write the service code. In employee service class, add and define the hireEmployee method mentioned in the gateway interface. The method will return the employee object. We will use this method as a service activator. As mentioned in the previous videos, service activator is the endpoint type for connecting any Spring managed object to an input channel so that it may play the role of a service. So let's add @service activator annotation on top of the method and import it. Also, pass an input channel to method as request hire EMP channel, same as mentioned in the gateway interface. So the request goes from the request channel of gateway to the input channel of service. Now add an output channel as well with value as process EMP channel. Fix the imports. Step 3. Let's add a chain of channels. Copy paste the post call twice. Update the following. For first copied method, update input channel to process EMP channel and output channel to get EMP status channel. For second copied method, update the input channel to get EMP status channel and remove the output channel. Rename first copied method to process employee and second copied method to get employee status. In process employee, call set employee status from the payload of employee and set the value to permanent role. In get employee status, change return type to void. Change the content same as get employee name method. Change name to employee and save the file. Here, the message request flows from hire employee to process employee. As the output channel of hire employee, process EMP channel matches the input channel of process employee. Similarly, further it flows from process employee to get employee status, as the output channel of process employee get EMP status channel matches the input channel of get employee status. Step 4. Let's write the controller code. In employee controller class, add a method hire employee with return type employee. Pass a request body as employee object. Add @post mapping annotation on top of the method. And pass a path /hire employee for mapping. Fix the imports. Call the hire employee method of gateway. Pass employee object and save the value it returns as reply message. Fetch the payload as employee response and return it. Step 5. Open Postman tool. Make a post call using REST API. Localhost colon 8080/integrate/hire employee. Select body, raw, JSON. Enter an employee object as body. Then click on Send button. You can see we got the employee object in the output with status as permanent role. Hence, the post mapping calls the gateway method and the message goes from the request channel of gateway to the input channel of service, and then finally returns the message as the output. So we have seen how service activator component is implemented using post mapping. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.